Hi doctors, today we are going to see important MCQs from previous year question papers from Part-3 rubric hunting part. There are some important factors to work out MCQs more easily. Let's see those points. First, we have to know the subject very clearly. Subject knowledge is very important. For that, we have to do repeat revision. Frequent revision we need. Then for MCQs part, we have to do frequent workout. For example, we are studying 4 hours daily means at least 1 hour we have to work out MCQs. Through frequent workout, we can answer easily. Then when answering the question, we have to keep our mind relaxed. We have to give enough time to each and every question. This is very important. Then for rubric hunting part, mainly when we are studying rubrics, we have to open repertory itself. We have to see how it is arranged like that. Every time we have to open the repertory and see the rubric and arrangement. It will be helpful. Then art of exclusion. This is very important to work out MCQ. For example, here we have a question: involuntary stool while urinating, the rubric found in which chapter? The options: rectum, bladder, stool, urine. Here, how we can exclude? For that, first we have to know the chapter's name. What are the chapters present in Kentrapatri? Then basic idea about chapters. If we know those things, definitely we can answer easily. See here, urine chapter, we know in urine chapter we can see the character of urine. Similarly, stool chapter, character of stool. In bladder chapter, we can see the urination related rubrics, retention like that rubrics. So here you have to see the question. Here what is the main problem? Involuntary stool while urinating. Here the main problem is involuntary stool. So we have to go rectum chapter. The answer is rectum chapter. Like this we can answer. First we have to see the question clearly. What is the problem in it like that? Sometimes there will be a twist in question. We have to be clear. We have to be careful while answering. Okay. Then saving aggravation found in which chapter? Face. Single medicine present is carbonimalis. Then reeling found in which chapter? In Oxford Dictionary, reeling means walking without being able to control our legs. Where we can find vertigo chapter. Then suppression of urine placed under which chapter? Here also easily we can exclude the options. B easily we can exclude, uterus totally different. Then urethra you can exclude. Now we have two options, bladder and kidneys. So we already saw in bladder we can see the retention related rubrics, urination related rubrics. So answer is kidneys. In kidneys only urine filtered. So there is a problem in that filtration. So we can see in kidney chapter. Then retention related rubrics present in bladder chapter. Then apoplexy found in which chapter? Generalitis. Similarly, in BBCR, similar chapter is sensation complaints in general. So we can see there in BDBB sensation chapter. Then this is a different rubric. A child cramps the nurse when carried, found in which chapter? Present in vertigo chapter. Okay, this is a different rubric, we have to know. Then goiter is found in which chapter? Options: generals, external throat, internal throat, neck. Here, if we know the chapter's name clearly, simply we can answer. There is no chapter generals like that in repertory, internal throat also, neck also. Generalities we have, then internal throat we didn't have. We have throat chapter. In that we can see the rubric related to internal throat. Similarly, neck. We can see the rubric related to neck in external throat chapter and back chapter. So simply we excluded. So answer is external throat. Then diarrhea alternate with constipation, found in which chapter? We can see in rectum chapter. How we can see rectum, constipation, then alternates with diarrhea like that. Okay. Then sit inclination to found in which chapter? Present in mind. Similarly, lie down inclination to found in which chapter? This is generalities. Sit mind chapter, lie down generalities chapter. Then closing eyes amelioration, found in mind chapter. Then dreams rubric found in which chapter? Dreams found in sleep chapter. Similarly, in other repertory, in synthesis, BBCR, PTBB, we can see as a separate chapter. Dreams. In complete repertory, we can see in mind chapter. It is included in mind. Okay. Then cough with involuntary urination, found in which chapter? Here also we have to think what is the main problem here. Cough with involuntary urination. Involuntary urination is the problem. So urination related rubric where we can find? Bladder chapter. Simple. Bladder chapter. Then beard rubric is found in face chapter. How we can see the arrangement? In beard rubric, cross reference in bracket we can see falling, then falling of viscous like that, main rubric. Then desire and aversion related rubrics found in which chapter? In repertory, stomach chapter. In BBCR, appetite chapter. In BTBB, hunger and thirst. Then in synthesis, generals, we can see food and drinks rubric. In that we can see a lot of food items. In every food we can see 4 sub rubrics like aggravation, amelioration, aversion, desire like that. Okay. Similarly, complete repertory also present in generalities under food and drinks, then particular food, then 4 sub rubrics: aggravation, amelioration, aversion, desire like that. Okay, with this we are concluding. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. In next video we will see rubrics from APGT question papers. Thank you.